could put this on your patio. You could actually use it in your house. So it's an indoor-outdoor type kind of like table. And this is the wild lily pattern, but they come in a wide variety of patterns. And I just took it out of the box here, and I'm going to show you everything you got with it. You get this little set of assembly instructions right here that is very simple. Basically, you get 4 of these like nuts that screw into the into the top there, and the base that's folded over, and a wrench. Pretty simple. This is one of the simplest instructions I've seen in a while, so toss those aside. And let me just go over the base and the top for you. So looking over the base here, it comes like this, folded up. What I like is they have these like hardened type rubber bottoms right here that won't scratch a floor and hold it in place, and they seem to be like either glued or welded on there. And this thing folds like this. It's a pattern that opens. It's a little tough to open, but right there, once you open it up, it looks just like that. And all of your hardware, we'll go ahead and take this off. All of your hardware is contained right here. You get a wrench and these 4 nuts right here. And it is very simple to put this thing together. And let me show you. So you're gonna take your top right here, and you can see there's 4 studs coming out of the top. Take this, just like this, and line it up right there with each one of the holes. And it just kind of like falls into place. See how those studs just kind of went right down in there? Take each one of the little lock nuts and then go around the entire outside. You can flip this thing on its top, and it's a lot easier to do it, but you know what? This is the way I like to do it. Now that I got that on there, see how I turned it over? So now I'm just gonna go through with the little supplied wrench and tighten down all 4 of these. Okay, now that I have it all tightened down, look at that. Look how sturdy this thing is. This is very premium quality, and I really like, this is like, I don't know, it's like a shiny type coating that they've put on top of it, like a clear coat. It's been engraved in, and it's like clear coated around. This thing looks very nice and very premium, and it feels super sturdy. You can hear that right there. So let me set a plant on it, and let's see what it looks like. Okay, everybody, I just set it over here by my little like stand right here that I have my plant and bird feeder, and I really wanted to kind of decorate this area up. I'm trying to build this area up. I'm gonna have a fence behind here, and I'm wanting to have a little small garden right here. So this thing actually works out really good, and I just put a plant right there, and you see how good that looks. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the, patio stand / end table. See y'all in the next video.